Welcome to Astronomy Daily, the podcast. I'm your host, Anna, and today I'm bringing you another episode full of cosmic intrigue and stellar breakthroughs as we look up and beyond to the depths of space. In this episode, we'll be delving into the latest news shaking up the world of astronomy and space exploration. We are set to discuss a gamut of thrilling developments, from the unfortunate delay of Boeing's Starliner spacecraft's crewed flight to the International Space Station, mired by technical setbacks, to an unanticipated close encounter with a car-sized asteroid that zoomed past Earth merely days after its discovery. We'll also venture into Blue Origin's plans to quench its thirst for suborbital space tourism with the upcoming NS-25 mission. Plus, we'll strap on our virtual moon boots and join NASA as they simulate Artemis moonwalks in the dust of the Arizona desert. To top off our cosmic journey, we'll be sharing some endearing tales of nostalgia from NASA's flying laboratory as teammates recall their fondest memories. So buckle up and prepare for a journey through the stars as we discuss these stories and more, all coming up on Astronomy Daily, the podcast. Now let's launch into today's topics with the same energy and anticipation as a rocket bound for the cosmos.
The Astronomy Daily podcast.
In the world of space exploration, setbacks are not uncommon, and the journey to the stars is fraught with challenges. Such is the case for Boeing's Starliner spacecraft, as it faces another in a series of delays that have kept it firmly on the ground. The much-anticipated crewed launch to the International Space Station, a key milestone in the Starliner's development, has been postponed once again, this time due to a perplexing helium leak within the vehicle's service module. This news comes close on the heels of an earlier postponement last week, when astronauts Butch Wilmore and Suni Williams were ready for liftoff before a problematic valve was detected, throwing a wrench into the mission's plans. The anticipation for this high-stakes flight is palpable, and the delay only adds to the narrative of a program striving to overcome hurdles. Furthermore, the ramifications are significant. Not only does Boeing confront the immediate technical tribulations, but the delay also extends the pressure on the aerospace giant, which has seen its fair share of safety concerns and production delays in recent years. NASA's hopes to certify a second commercial vehicle capable of ferrying crews to the ISS rest heavily on the shoulders of the Starliner mission. The success of SpaceX's Dragon capsule back in 2020 was a watershed moment, and NASA eagerly awaits replicating that triumph with Boeing. The next window for the Starliner's journey to the stars is tentatively slated for May 21st, and as engineers and astronauts regroup, the meticulous work continues. The world will be watching with bated breath, hopeful that this time, the Starliner will soar into the cosmos, marking a significant step in our continued march into the final frontier. In a celestial ballet that reminds us of the dynamism of our solar system, a small car-sized asteroid named 2024 JN16 made a remarkably close approach to Earth. This cosmic rock, measuring less than 15 feet across, had a razor-thin margin of 11,500 miles from our planet's surface, a distance smaller than that of some of our orbiting geostationary satellites. Discovered a mere 2 days prior to its closest approach by amateur astronomer Gennady Borisov from the Margot Observatory in Crimea, 2024, JN16 whizzed by us at 5:50 a.m. EDT on Tuesday. This Apollo group asteroid, akin to the one that left a mark over Chelyabinsk in 2013, embodies the unpredictable nature of our near-Earth object neighbors. Its fleeting visit, well within the moon's orbit, posed no threat but served as a crucial reminder of our need to stay vigilant in the face of these hard-to-predict visitors, as they can survive in our solar system for approximately 10 million years. The event was a testament to the effectiveness of asteroid detections and a nod to the critical role amateur astronomers play in patrolling our skies, keeping an ever-watchful eye for potential Earth grazers. This particular asteroidal event underlines the significance of tracking these near-Earth objects, not only for our planetary defense, but also for the inherent opportunity to understand the origins of our solar system. The discovery of 2024 JN16, a relatively small asteroid, is an important point. It demonstrates our advancing capability to detect smaller space rocks, complementing our efforts to catalog and monitor larger, potentially more hazardous ones. As 2024 JN16 continues its journey around the sun, now barely visible even through telescopes due to its considerable distance, we should acknowledge this moment as another piece in the intricate jigsaw puzzle of our universe. Each close encounter nudges our understanding forward and reaffirms our position as active participants in the unfolding story of the cosmos. The skies will be busy again this weekend with Blue Origin's announcement of its NS-25 mission. After a hiatus, human spaceflight emerges from the quiet with the launch window opening on May 19th from West Texas. The flight is a quick ascent to the edge of our atmosphere where passengers will savor a few magical moments of weightlessness and marvel at Earth's curvature against the cosmos. NS-25 is a testament to Blue Origin's commitment to opening the heavens to more people, marking their 25th launch and the 7th to carry a crew. Among the 6 passengers is a varied tapestry of dreamers and achievers, from Ed Dwight, a pioneer as the United States' first Black astronaut candidate, to seasoned entrepreneurs and a retired accountant ready to check the ultimate box off their bucket list. NS-25 represents not just a jaunt to the boundary of space, but a journey of inspiration, highlighting the connecting thread between human ambition and the vast expanse above us. Keep an eye out for the live stream coverage, and let's wish all aboard a bon voyage as they contribute to a legacy of exploration. In the vast expanse of Arizona's San Francisco volcanic field, the preparations for humanity's next great leap are already underway. NASA's Artemis program is diligently working to ensure that when astronauts next step onto the moon, they do so with unprecedented precision and preparedness. This week, astronauts Kate Rubins and Andre Douglas are taking part in an elaborate dress rehearsal, donning mock-up spacesuit systems that mimic those they'll wear on the lunar surface. They're navigating the rugged terrain, which mirrors the moon's surface, to trial cutting-edge technology and practice complex moonwalk scenarios. The simulation is a tightly coordinated effort between 2 integrated teams: the field team, composed of astronauts, NASA engineers, and experts who conduct the simulated moonwalks, and the mission support team back at Johnson Space Center, guiding the exercise every step of the way. These rehearsals are not mere walks in the desert. They are carefully choreographed operations, following the same procedures planned for Artemis III and future missions. Technologies that might soon traverse the moon's surface are being put through their paces, including augmented reality for heads-up displays and innovative lighting beacons that could one day help astronauts find their way back to the lander on the dark expanse of the lunar South Pole. This particular test focuses on overcoming the unique challenges posed by the moon's terrain and environment, such as data collection and communication protocols necessary for quick, decisive action from both the lunar surface and back here on Earth. Each simulated moonwalk is a learning opportunity with team debriefings designed to extract valuable lessons that refine the strategies for Artemis missions, propelling us toward a future where the moon becomes more than just a celestial body to observe from afar, but a world to experience firsthand. Through the Artemis program, NASA is creating a legacy of exploration, building a gateway for the long-term presence on the moon, and eventually sending astronauts onto Mars.
The Astronomy Daily Podcast.
As we navigate the vast expanse of space news, let's take a rare moment to gaze inward at the human side of space exploration. Many NASA team members who've had the unique privilege of working aboard the flying laboratory, SOFIA, as it winds down and heads to decommissioning, have left with more than just scientific data. They've come away with a constellation of cherished memories. As an airborne observatory, SOFIA, the Stratospheric Observatory for Infrared Astronomy, frequently soared above 99% of the Earth's atmosphere, creating a gateway to the stars and a unique workplace for astronomers. Countless moments stand out, from witnessing the wonders of celestial bodies in infrared to watch a far-off nebula's dust revealed in new light. Every flight held the potential for awe. It's those experiences, shared among team members and against the backdrop of the infinite sky, that have forged lifelong bonds and a shared sense of purpose. Indeed, the laboratory's wings may have granted it flight, but it's the passion and the memories made within its cabin that have truly taken science and human spirit to new heights. As we draw today's stellar journey to a close, we're reminded of the vastness of space and the incredible endeavors on the horizon. We've delved into Boeing's efforts to reach the International Space Station despite setbacks, marveled at the fleeting visit of Asteroid 2024 JN16, anticipated Blue Origin's return to human spaceflight with the NS-25 mission, and beheld the meticulous preparations of NASA's Artemis team as they step closer to returning humans to the lunar surface. The cosmos continues to beckon, and with each passing day, we're writing new chapters in the grand odyssey of exploration. Remember, the adventure doesn't end here. I encourage you to visit our website, astronomydaily.io, for more episodes and the latest space news. While you're there, don't forget to sign up for our daily newsletter, your personal briefing on the universe's most fascinating developments. Also, we're always eager to interact with fellow space enthusiasts. So connect with us on X, formerly known as Twitter, by searching for Astro Daily Pod. There, we share insights, engage in discussions, and celebrate the wonders of the cosmos together. I'm Anna, and it's been an absolute pleasure to be your host on Astronomy Daily, the podcast. Until our next cosmic rendezvous, keep looking up. The universe has infinite stories to tell.